Hi friends, these days any person showing even a slight symptom of corona like coughing or fever is either immediately taken to the hospital or is quarantined at home. There are no corona positive patients with symptoms roaming about on the street. If you are not a medical professional, you are coming in contact with the corona positive patients with symptoms are very remote, 1 in a million. Then how is the disease spreading? The disease is being spread by those corona positive patients who do not show any symptoms. How do they spread the disease? When they touch their face with their hands become contaminated. And when they move around, because they don't even know that they are corona positive patients, so they touch variety of surfaces like doorknobs, lift buttons, countertops, table, chairs, whatever they touch becomes contaminated. And unfortunately, there is no visual indication to know that this surface is contaminated. So when we touch these surfaces with our hands become contaminated. And when we touch our face with these contaminated hands, our mouth, our nose, our eyes, which are the entry points to the body, the corona can enter our body. The virus can enter our body and we get infected. So it is very important to understand the corona is spreading more by the contaminated surfaces than by coming in contact with the infected person. Wearing masks or maintaining social distance can be and are very, very useful, but these do not provide any protection against contaminated surfaces. So what is the solution? Solution has been suggested by everybody. All the doctors and medical people are every day they are suggesting don't touch your face with your hands. But this is easier said than done, because actually a normal person touches his face on an average 23 times in an hour, and it all happens unconsciously. And even if you try, you cannot break this habit. So what is the solution? What's the way out? I have developed a simple device which can prevent the hands going to the surface. It's a device which can be assembled at home, making use of the material which is normally available at home. Just take an empty plastic bottle, water bottle, or you can take a plastic pipe. Only thing is that the dia of this bottle should be more than the dia of your arm at the elbow level. So you cut now 5 inches middle portion of this bottle to get an open-ended band. You can make 2 holes here to attach these safety pins, so that when you put it on your arm, you can attach these safety pins to your shirt sleeve so that this band doesn't slide down. So when you want to go out, just put on these 2 bands and adjust their position in such a way that you should be able to move around your hand to do your normal work, but you can't take your hand to your face. Now even if your hands get contaminated, you will not get infected. The virus cannot enter your body. When you come back home, just remove the band, wash your hand, wash these bands or sanitize them for use next time. Now you are 100% safe. You are safe not only when you are in your home, you are safe also when you are outside the home. So let's beat the corona together. Thank you.